What is up, guys? Today I'm back with another video, and today we've got another fidget spinner video. So I got this out of a box, but I haven't opened this yet. I just got it out of the package, so we'll be unboxing it today. Okay, sorry. Alright, so here it is. It's from Torque Bar. I'm not sure if that's the brand, but that's what it says right there. So that's what I'm pretty sure that is the brand. So let me open this. Bam, bam. Whoa. Okay, so it's got these like spots over it with like gold caps. It's got gold caps. It's purple and pink. There's the bearings, the inside, and yeah, and the caps. Alright, so let's get into the review. Okay, so here's the review. Alright, so it's noisy. It spins nice. Smooth. It's very balanced. Oops, that was my fault. And then so that is the video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Okay. Peace.